Top 8 lucky foods for Chinese New Year and their symbolic meanings. Number 1. Jiaozu. With a history more than 1,800 years, jiaozu is a classic lucky food for Lunar New Year and a traditional dish to eat on Chinese New Year's Eve. It is especially popular in North China. Jiaozu is a symbol of wealth for its shape like an ancient Chinese gold ingot. It's believed that the more jiaozu you eat during New Year celebrations, the more money you can make in the new year. Jiaozu also symbolizes family unity because of the involvement of family in the jiaozu making process. Number 2. Yu. Yu is another traditional Chinese New Year dish. In Chinese, fish, yu, sounds the same as the other Chinese character, yu, meaning surplus. Chinese people always like to have a surplus at the end of the year, because people believe if they have managed to save something at the end of the year, they can make more in the next year. And there are certain rules of eating fish in Chinese New Year. First, don't turn over the fish after you have finished eating one side, as it is viewed unlucky in Chinese culture. 2. The head of the fish should be placed towards elders and distinguished guests to show respect. 3. Always save some fish for the next day to wish for a surplus new year. Number 3. Nian Gao. Translated to English, Nian Gao literally means year cake, as Gao cake has same pronunciation as Gao higher. So eating Nian Gao during Chinese New Year is to wish for higher success in the new year, whether it be in one's career or raising salary, better grades at school, or even children's height. Number 4. Tang Yuan. Tang Yuan is commonly served on Lantern Festival. However, in many places of southern China, it is also a Chinese New Year food. They're usually filled with anything sweet, from red bean to peanut to taro, and sesame is always a favorite for most of people. The round shape of Tang Yuan represents completeness and family togetherness. Number 5. Chun juan. As the name suggests, chun juan are traditionally eaten during Spring Festival to celebrate the coming of spring. They also symbolize the wish for prosperity as they resemble gold bars. Number 6. Changsho mian. The wish for a long life is symbolized through the eating of changsho mian. They are longer than other noodles and uncut. Eating changsho mian in the new year also symbolizes everything is going to be smooth in the new year. Number 7. Chenzi, juzi. Chenzi and juzi are good fortune fruit for Chinese New Year for the lucky sounds they bring when spoken. Cheng, orange, sounds the same as cheng, success. Ju, tangerine, sounds similar to ji, luck. Therefore, eating and displaying these good fortune fruits is believed to bring success and luck in the new year. Also, as they are round and golden in color, they also symbolize fullness and wealth. Number 8. Ba Bao Fan. Ba Bao Fan is a traditional Chinese New Year treat. The 8 treasures in Ba Bao Fan are usually Chinese red dates, longan, winter melon, dried apricot, red bean paste, lily bulbs, lotus seeds, and goji berries. Since number 8, Ba sounds similar to Fa, meaning prosperity, so eating Ba Bao Fan represents people's wish for prosperity in the new year. So these are the top 8 lucky foods for Chinese New Year on my list. What is your favorite Chinese New Year food? Please share with us in the comments below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.